We begin the Q&A. We have gathered questions from our friends from the press. Ako na po yung magbabasa ng kanilang mga questions. We begin with a question from Kate Adahar of randomrepublica.com for Inay Maria. You've been effective in your previous family drama projects. How challenging or easy was this one for you?
Hindi to easy na okay. Lahat naman ang ginagawa namin, hindi naman talaga madali. Mukha lang madali kasi pinag-uusay talaga namin yung craft namin. Dahil sobrang respeto at pagmamahal lang ang pwede kong masabi na yun ang nabibigay ko sa trabaho.
Nay, when you received the script, when it was pitched to you, ano yung unang naging reaction mo?
Umikot na yung utak ko kasi binigyan din nila ako ng casting eh. So, nung nasabi na nila na yung casting ganito, sabi ko, kailan shooting?
Tinanong mo na agad?
Oo, ngayon na. Asap, di ba? Asap na. Tapos yun na, nagulat na ako sa set dahil unang meeting pa lang namin, yung mga anak ko, shoot na kami. Shoot na shoot.
Love it. I love it. Okay, let's go to our writers. Paano nagsimula tong kwentong to? Is this a story inspired by true events? Paano to? Jumbo?
Siyempre, di ba, lahat naman tayo, fear natin, mawalan ng mga magulang, kaya mga mahal sa buhay. Itong Meet, Greet, and Buy, actually, nanggaling siya sa deepest fear namin, to lose our parents. And it wasn't easy confronting that fear. Habang sinusulat namin siya, binibrainstorm, madalas kaming umiiyak ni Patrick, ni Derek. Kasi sobrang personal yung pinanggalingan ng story. But I think what really pushed us to tell the story is that this is our love letter to our parents. And the same way kung paano siya naging love letter din ni Derek para sa kanyang mga anak.
Patrick?
We really wanted to tell the story na sobrang relatable to everyone. And I feel like katulad na sinabi ni Jumbo na fear, it's a universal fear for everyone, diba? To lose yung mahal nila sa buhay. So yun yung naging focus namin while writing this story na sana maraming taong makarelate. Gusto namin ikwento to kasi kwento natin to lahat.
Oh, tinan mo kanina nga, dalawa pa lang na si Don pa lang, saka si Alan Sancon pa lang. Nakarelate na agad sila eh, no? Thank you, Kate, for your question. The next one is from Tessa Mauricio from the Manila Times. For PJ, Piolo, Inay Maria, or the Diamond Star, is known for her motherly ways on the set, always guiding her co-stars through difficult scenes and helping them become better actors in the process. In your case, as the kuya of the siblings in the movie, did you also find yourself taking on that same nurturing role with your co-stars?
I don't know. Bunso kasi ako sa pamilya eh. Real life ba?
Akala ko gusto.
Real life ba? Nurturing in a way na para kasi kaming sobra kaming clingy sa isa't isa. So more than the nurturing, it's just being present for the other person. Na it was so easy for us to gel. It was so easy for us to bond. Open yung lahat. So more than the nurturing, it's yung bonding na nabuo. Walang matanda, walang bata, lahat kami, we're all the kids of Inay. Na talaga namang the way she took care of us. Spoiled kami sa set. Pag may pawis, nandyan siya. Spray ng pangpawala ng pawis, may lampin agad. So talagang napaka-motherly niya. So, yeah, pag may si JK, magkakasakit, nandiyan na yung ginger na yun, bigla may darating na turmeric ginger dyan, si Belinda, ganun din. So, we really made sure na yung bonding namin, totoo talaga siya. So, more than being the kuya, I enjoyed being the son of Inay.
You wanna react to that, Nay?
Actually, hindi lang yung nagkagulatan kami parang ganon dahil bakit nagkakaintindihan tayo? Bakit parang kilalang-kilala na natin ang bawat isa? Bakit ganon?
Work with everybody here.
JK ngayon lang. Ang batang prinsesa ko ay ngayon lang din. Pero nagsama na kami ni Papa P sa Milan.
Oo nga. Joshua,
Ay, si Joshua, first time.
first time. With Direk Cathy also, first time? Nay?
First time din kami ni Direk.
Kamusta yon with Direk
Ay,
Cathy?
nag-enjoy ako ng sobra sa kanya. Todo. Sobra.
Thank you, PJ. Thank you, Inay. The next question is from Reggie Bonon. Reggie is here for Belle. First time mo makatrabaho sina Piolo, Joshua, JK, and Miss Maricel, anong natutunan mo sa kanila at anong eksena sa kanila ang hindi mo malilimutan?
Spoil ko na po yung buong movie.
Or wag naman.
Hindi.
Wag naman ba?
Siguro ang pinakamababaon ko dito sa buong movie is sobrang importante ng bond nyo outside of the camera. As in, sobrang napalapit yung loob ko sa kanilang lahat. Even outside even wala sa set. Ramdam na ramdam ko na mama ko si Inay, na silang lahat mga kuya ko. And sobrang important pala talaga yung relationship mo with them. Kasi may rehistro siya sa camera. And eksena, ang dami eh. Pero yung ang dami talaga, parang sobrang dami. Pero super na-enjoy ko yung mga eksena na kompleto kaming pamilya. Kahit mabigat yung eksena, even after nung take, okay, pakalmayin natin yung isa't isa, tatawa kami.
Actually, nung pumunta nga ako sa set, parang kalmado nyo naman.
Yeah.
Off-cam,
Off-cam.
nagtatawa na ba?
Off-cam.
Nag-cut si Direk.
Off-cam.
Pero pag on the set na, yun na.
Yes.
Na-transform na kayong lahat.
Nagka-transform na.
Okay. Reggie, your next question is for Direk Cathy. Wala si Direk Cathy, no? So, at least sasagot na ni Inay kanina yung kanyang experience with Direk Cathy. The next question ay galing kay Alan. Alan, saan ko gusto niyang siya magtanong? Do you have a microphone na pwedeng iabot kay Alan? Meron? Okay, sige, abot natin kay Alan Sancon. Justin, pa-help please. Paabot natin yung question. Alan is from Stars Photog. Ito, magtatanong siya. Okay, ito na lang. Alan.
Ay po, congratulations again. Yung question ko for Belle, you're the youngest dito sa movie, di ba?
Yes po.
So, hindi ka ba, kung ba kinabahan doon sa mga ka-eksena mo personally? At kanino ka pinakakinabahan doon sa lahat?
Naku, totoo po ng reaction ko po dito nung nalaman ko yung project na to. Kinabahan po talaga ako. Siyempre, ako husay po nilang lahat. Diba? Parang sabi ko, pero more than that, parang mas nagkaroon po ako ng lakas ng loob para mas galingan pa. Kasi talagang sobrang nakaka-inspire. Siyempre, ang gagaling ng kasama mo. Bakit mo hindi aayusin? Sabi ko kay Inay actually nung una. Inay, sorry pa, I love you ma. Pero nung una kong na-meet si Inay, sabi ko, wala, natatakot ako kay Inay. Paano kaya? Sabi ko talaga sa kanya, Inay, pwede ko po ba kayong tawagin mama? Yung unang reaction. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, oo naman, nung look test po namin to. And ngayon, anak niya na talaga ako.
And can I, go ahead,
Anak
Alan.
ko si Belle sa puso ko.
Right.
Sa pelikulang to.
Can I just say, bago Alan yung next question mo noon, parang this is so refreshing to the eyes kay Belle. Kasi nasanay kami na napapanood namin si Belle with, you know, Donnie, yung kanilang tandem, kanilang partnership. It's just so nice to see Belle working with the legends. With Inay Maria, with Piolo Pascual, and refreshing them to work with Juan Carlos and Joshua Garcia. Na I feel like Belle is no longer a Gen Z rising star. For me, Belle is now a Gen Z superstar. Nagpa-flashback sa isip ko now, that day that I went to Star Cinema office, na nag-uusap kayo ni Direk Cathy. Doon yung una nating binrake sa kanila na you're doing this big solo project. Belle.
Yes, and it's truly such an honor po to be able to work with, of course, these artists that I really look up to in the industry, and of course to Star Cinema. It's such an honor to be able to do this project, and it's such, ang ganda-ganda ng mensahe nito, and just to be able to be part of the cast itself, sobrang nakakataba po ng puso, and pinagpapasalamat ko po yun.
Thank you, Belle.
Thank you.
Alan, your next question?
Supposed to be, my question is for Direk Cathy, pero tanong ko na lang kay Inay Maria. Opo. Follow-up ko lang po yung sinabi ni Bel kanina. Naramdaman niyo po ba na doon sa mga first scene niyo ni Bel, kinabahan siya? And how do you, kumbaga, pinakalma siya? At paano sinuportahan po yung eksena niyo together?
Babaguhin ko lang yung kinabahan siya. Wala siyang kaba. Wala. Hindi ko nakita yun. Ang nakita ko yung mga mata niya eh. Mga mata, ang ganda-ganda ng mata. At saka, isa pa talagang natural siya umarte. Totoo ang arte niya. Hindi siya umaarte. Totoo lahat yung pinakita niya. Genuine lahat.
JK,
That's why I said, oh anak, mahusay ka, alam mo ba yun? So, ipaghusay mo pa para mas mahabang pa ang makita ng mga fans mo na nandito ka sa industriya ito. Ay, ilangan ka ng industriya.
Alam niyo po ba, share ko lang, first scene ko with Mama, parang kasi medyo heavy yung scene. Not really heavy, diba po? Tapos sabi niya sa akin, binigyan niya ako ng tip. Sabi niya, Nak, ibuga mo lahat bago mo ibigay. Mas naramdaman mo. And siguro yun yung mga isang lessons ko na mababaon ko. Talagang kailangan, hasta yung paghinga mo, kailangan ako pa rin si Jerry. Yun talaga yung mababaon kong lesson dito, na bawat buong pagkatao ko dito sa buong movie na to, na kailangan ako si Jerry. And I wouldn't do it without the help of Mama.
may sinasabi si JK.
Wala. Sakto yung music.
Ano sinabi ko? Ay, oo, hindi. Kasi naka-work ko na si nagsasend comments din kami dito habang nag-uusap sila na naka-work ko na rin si Belen. Parang working with her now, I personally feel super proud of what she's achieved and magaling. Magaling yung punso namin. Sobrang.
Pambato namin yan eh.
Pambato namin yan.
Wow.
Alright, Alan?
Thank you.
Okay ka na doon. Next is si Chad. Chad of Manila Feed. Tatanong, Justin, paano lang kay Chad, please? Ako na lang, Chad. O di ako. For Juan Carlos, what scene moved you the most while filming? And how did this film change your perspective on saying goodbye or moving on in terms of your relationship with your family?
Hala, di kasi feeling ko di ko rin pwede spoil, no? Oo, bawal. Talk to my lawyer na lang po.
Ay, grabe.
Opo.
Pero how did it change daw? How did this film change your perspective?
We did this particular scene. Okay, sige. We did this particular scene, magkakasama kaming lahat. Maybe sa may bandang, medyo papalapit pa sa dulo ng pelikula. So medyo, okay, doon na tayo. I'm not sure if it really particularly changed anything, the whole concept of saying goodbye, because I don't think anybody wants to say goodbye. I grew up with my lola, and my lola's getting older every time. And this whole idea of someone not being there anymore, I don't like it. So actually, as a person, I also don't like saying goodbye in general. I always like saying see you again. So I don't know. Yeah, medyo mabigat. Pero yeah. Next question siguro.
No, totoo naman yun eh. Mabigat naman talaga eh. The trailer itself.
Kasi ayoko bumalik doon eh.
Pero mabigat, pero is it liberating?
I don't know. Not sure how I can answer that one.
Okay. Baka it's also spoiler.
Or baka andun, baka, kasi medyo fresh pa rin eh. Like, kaya nga, like, the whole sepangs, like,
Ako feeling ko yun yung magiging objective natin after we see the movie. Mabigat, pero
magaan after.
We'll define it.
Liberating, yeah.
We'll define it. Ibang magiging definition ko, ibang magiging definition mo, ibang magiging definition nila. And we'll all find that out once we see the movie. Belle, you're saying something.
Just in addition to what you said, I think when we watch this film, mabigat siya, like, just to continue what you're saying, but it's also a release. Diba? It's also a release of emotions. And there's freedom to that. And I think that's when the liberating comes, diba?
Agree. Next, we have Carl June Canonoy of Kapatid Insider. Carl June, you're here? Go ahead.
Hello, good evening, and congrats sa napaganda niyong movie. Okay,
Parang ba na?
Ay, di pa.
Di pa.
Congrats lang.
Congrats lang.
Okay, question po for Direk. Since wala po si Direk, yung mga creators na lang po. What message or theme does Meet, Greet, and Buy want to leave with the audience?
How does this want to live with the audience?
Yes.
Siguro, very short lang para at least hindi ma-spoil yung pelikula din na gusto namin masabi dito is love like there is no tomorrow because tomorrow is never promised. So, cherish our moments with our loved ones. Siguro yun po.
May gusto ko yung itagdag yung sa isang creator po.
Jumbo.
Siguro, ang pagmamahal sa isang pamilya ay walang katapusan. Yun po yung pwede ko ma-share ngayon. Kasi panoorin na lang po natin sa November 12 sa Sinehan.
Okay, thank you po. And next question for them.
Very showbiz si Jumbo. Sumo-showbiz na Mizzelle, no?
Mas mga artista yung sunod mo, Jumbo ah.
Artista
Dapat siya
yan?
mag-spoil.
Oo. Artista na si Jumbo. Okay, thank you. Maraming...
pa po.
Go ahead.
Kay Ben naman po.
Opo.
How does this film differ from the usual family dramas we've seen before?
Okay, actually, this film, it talks about so many topics. Every family is distinct, I would say. Bawat pamilya ay may istorya. And specifically, this story talks about mama. And I think that's what differs it. It's our relationship with mama, it's our relationship with our siblings, and also adding to that, ang dynamic kasi ng characters namin, sobrang daming layers. But when we say it, it's such a beautiful picture to say. And that's what differentiates this film from other family movies.
Maricel, meron po kayong comment.
Okay ka na doon?
Okay na po.
Alright, maraming salamat, Carl June. Our next set of questions ay manggagaling kay Jay of Certified Kapamilya. Ako ba magtatanong o ako na lang, Jay, no? Okay, salamin na naman. Meet, Greet, and Buy ang name ng movie. Can you give us names na unang pumapasok sa isip nyo sa mga words na yan? Who do you want to meet? Who do you always want to greet? At sino naman ang gusto nyong sabihan ng bye? Uy! Ano naman yun? Meet, greet, and buy. Jake. Juan Carlos.
Ba't ako?
Sino gusto mong ma-meet?
Ang hirap ng tanong na to.
Who do you want to meet?
Ba't sa akin pupunta yung mga tanong na?
Hindi, sa inyo lang.
Hindi, who do you want to... Is this in general or related to the film? In general? Sino gusto ko ma-meet? Hindi ko pa naiisip actually. Sino gusto ko... Yung meet, di ko pa sure. Yung who do you always want to greet? Maybe... actually tomorrow if I have some free time, I wanna greet my lola. Kasi matagal ko na rin dinikita si lola. Hi La, nanonood ka ngayon. Medyo na-busy din, sorry. Libre ka ng takos. Tapos, yun na naman ang gusto mong sabihan ng bye. Wala. Wala akong sasabihan ng bye. Bahala ako dyan.
PJ.
If there's anyone that I'd like to meet, I'd like to meet again my dad, whom I lost more than 20 years ago. And I always want to greet my mom, wherever she is, whatever she's doing. I always want to greet her just to make sure that she's okay. And same thing with JK. If there's anyone I'd like to say bye to, wala eh. See you again. See you again.
Nay?
Napapaisip tuloy ako sa tanong na to. Sino ba ang gusto kong mamit? Si Papa Brad Pitt. Ay, wow! Napakalaking ilusyonada ng babaeng to.
You don't know. Baka nanonood.
Oo nga, hello Papa.
Si Brad Pitt.
Diba? Gusto ko siya. Gusto niya yung beauty talaga niya. Sino naman ang i-greet? Sino ba ang i-greet? Siguro yung mga anak ko. Diba? Yun, hindi. Maybe dalawa muna bago na ako. Diba? So, yung mga anak ko.
Clingy eh. Clingy tong isang anak mo dito eh.
Oo, tingnan sila. Wala pa yan.
Ako favorite.
Oo, wala pa yan.
Eh yung bye, sino gusto mong
Yung
sabihan ng
bye,
bye?
siguro yung bye, pwede kong sabihin na nung bata ko, marami akong masakit na dinadala. Pero yun ang gusto kong sabihan ng goodbye.
It doesn't have to be a person. Thank you, Nay. Belle? Kasama ka.
Ayaw nga. Nagulat ako. Sige, if there is one person, kung pwede, I wanna meet Jerry in real life, my character. I wanna know more about her. Greet, of course, my mom. I always want to greet her. I love waking up with my mom, seeing her every morning. I love greeting her. Bye, wala. Wala akong gustong sabihan ng bye. That's it.
Thank you, Belle.